using basic pre-designed email templates which fails to resonate with your customers? Give me the next few minutes and I'll show you 3 things you must do to make your email marketing more personalized and effective. By the way, I have a 5-minute Loom video that shows you 3 changes you can make to your emails today that will push more traffic to your website and boost your sales. If you want to get your hands on this, just comment below and I'll send it over. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Vivian Zhe and I'm the owner of ecomretention.com, where I have now helped ecom stores use psychology with email marketing to get more sales and repeat purchases. Previously, I have used the same strategy to help a business go from 8 to 9 sales a day to 12 to 15. The number one problem most people face when they come to me is that their email campaigns lack personalization and is that their email templates feel generic. Most rely on standard one-size-fits-all templates, but here's why that doesn't work. Generic templates doesn't resonate with recipients and fail to create this kind of meaningful connection, the design and all that. So my solution to this problem is to create email templates that fits with your brand voice and your audience and your market. So first, start with a brand guide and research the audience thoroughly through first and third-party data, whether it's through surveying your customers and subscribers or using some online resources and offline resources like forums or Facebook or Instagram, Reddit, etc. to find the overlap between the brand voice and the audience. Then for each template, ensure that it aligns with your brand's unique voice and the audience's preferences. Next, brainstorm personalized content and subject lines to reflect this alignment. When the email is sent, track the engagement metrics like open rates and click rates to see which kind of templates and messages perform best. The next time you send that email, use these successful elements from previous campaigns and refine your new emails further, ensuring that each communication feels very personal and the templates. Ensuring that each of these email templates and communication feels personal and relevant to the recipient. Now, what if I can tell you in a 5-minute Loom video 3 changes to your emails that will help you get your subscribers to visit your store and get more sales? Comment boost below and I'll get that sent over to you.